Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 29th of December afternoon analysis. Our first chart is Ethereum. As you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum is on free fall. It is just losing ground and from high levels. Reason: there is no new entry to the market. This market is all about new players because like everybody's expecting at the end of 2021 100k Bitcoin. It didn't happen. Even right now it's less than the half. So if there is no dream in Bitcoin, if there is no big multiplications in crypto market, so there is no new player because the market already stock market already volatile, so people are making money, and when they do that there is no fear that I will lose money and then the government will just take off money, something like that. They are just making that one with legal brokers, and there is no problem with these kind of things. That's why they just prefer that one. When there is no volatile market, when there is when the market of the stock market and other markets just flat, then they just switch into these cryptocurrencies. And especially when there is a stimulus packages, when there's a free money to people, they just spend that money. They are not spend their wages to cryptocurrency because they earn that one is so hard already, so they don't do that. Okay, that's why we see low level of these one, and the new players are not getting into a crypto game. The total market cap is just getting low, and people are just preferring the other assets. The Omicron and the other fears, it's also affecting. They don't know what will happen. They will just stay at home, and then there will be a new lockdown, and then will I need that extra money? So I just wait some, and then if I just feel secure, then I can just risk some of my money. This is also another case, another important factor on this drop. So all right, let's look at some numbers. As you can see here, it is just testing low levels, and then it just tested 3,800 levels and then below, and it was just coming closer to 3,500 levels. Then it just makes some return from this point, but it's not over yet. As long as we are under 4,400 levels, and at this level, no expectation all the time, new all the time highs in Ethereum. This is the level to say it will make new all the time highs or even higher levels, as long as we are under 4,400 level. This is the critical age for Ethereum. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is wheat. As you know, it has tested really high levels on recent months, and it just dropped from that level. It has tested 860 level, and from that level it has tested 750. We have told our clients that sell it from that place and then just wait for a big drop. Reason is contract, and the trader are not requesting for physical deliveries, so they are selling one contract, and then just to buy the other contract they are just giving some time, because they know other traders will also sell. They will sell off in the market, and then the price will be low, and then on the first day of the new contract they are just getting into the game. This is what happened on here. They have sold their assets, and then in the middle of December the new contract has started, and then they have just jumped. We have told our clients that it will just go up first because the money they have made on recent months, we'll just get into these cheap price, and then the price will go up, then there will be a correction. It is just happening like now. As you can see, the correction is happening. This is the story of these fall, rise, and correction of the recent days. And what about the next? All right, from this level, probably it will just come closer to 170 level again, but from that place, another jump is just on the way, because there are a lot of different scenarios. There are a lot of different flooding and cold weather and blah blah. All these climate change, global climate change related stories happening around the world. This is creating a pressure on these farmlands. They are affecting the productivity of the people, and this is creating a pressure on prices. And just like oil, people have discovered these commodities, agricultural commodities. Right now they are trading these one. When there's a trade, the volatility happens. If you just check like 5-6 years ago, the prices, there is volatile moments, but not like this. Right now traders are just buying and selling and then making profit from these commodity. Right now you see the last chart is just getting to test this level. As long as it's just testing here and then succeed on here, it will make another comeback on this level. It's just the nature of the trading. It will just go up and then correction down. If there's no crisis, if there's no volatility, people cannot make money in this market. That's the nature. All right, you can also make good money on wheat, because the volatility in wheat prices sometimes is bigger than gold prices, and then you can make more money in wheat trading than gold and silver trading. Just keep this in mind. All right, let's look at our last chart, which is dollar index. Let's look at it. All right, dollar index, as you can see here, is not in the second channel as well. As you know, like if we just make this channel and then we expect it just, all right, it's going up, and the second one, it didn't happen again. So another channel like this is just formulating, and actually another channel, just a stable dollar index is just accumulating. So this level is the final place to reach in dollar index. In my opinion, no, because it will just go higher with these interest rates decision in March. We expect actually that one, but the problem is new COVID variant, Omicron. Yesterday it was the highest level in global numbers. So everybody is just right now is worried about what will happen next. Will people die more than the previous one? Because new cases rise first, then the new deaths rise later. So if there's a record in new cases, in a few days we may see a record new deaths. We don't want to hear that, but that's nature, that's the pandemic. So when it happens, new lockdowns, new restrictions, new close-ups, all these will happen, closures will happen, and this will affect the market. That's why dollar index right now falling. A really long way to fall, but we will see like what will happen. But I think it will just decline some more, or will just rebound at this level, because on recent, as you can see from the mid of December, from this level it has gone up all the time, and probably this time as well this support line will work. Thanks so much for watching us. We will be together on more news. We will cover more charts with you tomorrow. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.